Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install Clash of Clans application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's operating system. Now, in the search box, type in Clash of Clans. In the search result, look for the Clash of Clans app from Supercell and tap on the cloud icon or the get icon or the install button. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application should be downloaded. Once it is done, tap on open and follow the on-screen instructions to start your village, set a name and enjoy the game. And that's it. Now you're ready to play Clash of Clans on your phone. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner tips. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.